You see, this is why you should come early.
Majorly, the Creative Quarters is a community. It's not just a business. It's a community. It's a vision, to be able to get mentored and also have access to tools.
So I'll just go around the room quickly. I want to get a sense of your expectation from this session.
Nothing beats hands-on learning, so I'm just here to absorb as much as I can.
I'm just here to discover what may or may not be missing for the next step of my career.
I'm here to learn, relearn.
So when you talk about photography and a picture, composition is everything that picture consists of. So right now I'm switching at 1.2 and just blurring out the texture on that background.
Once the hands are in the shot, like it's an automatic winner, it just makes for a very wholesome image. Right on the edge of the box, okay? Because the lighting I want to use is the light that comes from the outside of the box.